Hello again, everyone. This is Joe Hentges with Beyond the Chart, and this is Trade Idea Tuesday. In this Trade Idea video, I'm going to show you how a trade idea on Under Armour generated a 94% profit in 3 days, so stay tuned. Okay, so here's the chart. We're going to pull up the page. This is the exact detail that I provided to my insider members for trade ideas. So my insider members see this, and so on November 9th in the evening, and that is this day right here, this dark bar right here is November 9th. In the evening I said, I'm looking to sell Under Armour, and here's the setup. I want to sell at 93.11, and that was one tick below that low that day, okay? So the very next day we got that entry, and then it popped up on us, so we closed that the first day, we closed the trading, we're down, okay? But we're with the trend. And the blue lines, just so if you haven't been following me, this is a 10 exponential, 21 simple, 55 simple, and 233 simple. I use Fibonacci numbers for my simple moving averages. The 10 is my trigger line, the exponential moving average. So you can see that we were looking at a 92.5 strike price, which is slightly below down here, just a little bit below the entry point. So it was a little out of the money. Delta was 0.436. And again, I use options primarily for directional trades only, okay? And, keep it simple. Options are not a complicated thing. They're very simple, very easy to use, and they're very powerful, as you're going to see here, okay? Here was the stop on it. Consecutive close above the 10 would be a stop, a break of the high of 2 consecutive closes above the 10, and the initial target is 87.73. So now you can see we're in the trade, and then we come back down the next day. So it goes against us the very first day, comes back down against the second day. Third day, it moves a little more in our direction. And the fourth day, it moves dramatically in our direction. And it comes down here and it hits the target price of 87.73. So we exit 2 out of the 3 puts. All right. Now, I was intending to hold the rest, but all of a sudden, this started getting to an extreme. It got below the Keltner channels. Okay. And it was turning into a wide-ranging bar. And this is what I call a WR7 bar, which is the widest ranging bar of the last 7 days. And a lot of times that can mean climactic activity. And in this case, it did. Once it got this kind of a bar, it pretty much stopped. I mean, yeah, it went a little bit lower over the next 2 days, but then it had a dramatic pullback. Just like looking at this big bar, and then we got dramatic pullback. This big bar got dramatic pullback. So, you have to kind of be aware of this type of price action. So I decided to then exit the third one on the same day as it got outside the Keltner channels. And so the first one was exited. We entered at $3.60 at the ask. All these trade ideas are conservative. They enter at the ask. And then all of them are exited at the bid, which again, the whole point here to my insider members is this is worst case. You should not be buying at the ask and selling at the bid. You should try to do it in between, okay? In the middle of the spread, ideally. And then, so now the third option was exited at $7.80. So we had a total profit of $1,020 on a $1,080 investment. So 94% profit on the trade in 3 trading days. So it turned out to be a very profitable trade idea. If you would like this type of insight on a regular basis, check out the membership page on the link below and come on over and become an insider member. Anyway, I'm gonna do this on a regular basis every Tuesday, have trade ideas where we talked about things that we've used in the past. And I hope you found this beneficial. If you did, please share this with friends and family. Thanks, everyone. See you on the next video.